Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to enable or restore all missing power plan in Windows 10 and 11 like high performance power plan, balanced power plan. So just open my this website page. Here you will see all code. Click on start, search here CMD. Now right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here guys, copy one by one these all commands. This is the command for high performance. Copy and paste here. Press enter. So this is the command for high performance. Copy and paste this ultimate performance. Then press enter. This is the for power saver. Edit and paste here. Press enter. And this is the balanced. Edit and paste here. Now close and exit this command prompt. Restart your system. So this is the way guys you can enable and restore all missing power plan from your Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.